The problem is that as farm equipment has got bigger and more efficient, fields have had to get bigger and more efficient, which means that since the war, Britain has lost 140,000 miles of hedgerows. It's lost 40% of its ancient woodlands. It's lost 97% of all its wildflower meadows. Everywhere where insects like to live is disappearing. And I've decided to do something about that. My plan is to make my hedgerows, my valleys, my woods, and my streams more attractive to creepy crawlies. In essence, I am going to leave chunks of the farm completely alone. I'm going to put Mother Nature in the driving seat. It's a process called wilding.